Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the Apple Airpods. So let's start the unboxing video. So here we have it, the Apple Airpods. On the side you have the Apple logo, on the top Airpods text, and on the bottom you have some more serial number and all that stuff. And on the back you have a picture of its case, Airpods with charging case, and that's it. So that's all that we have on the outside of the box. So let's see what's inside it. So I'm just going to cut it. Putting that aside, and let's see. First of all, we have Apple's booklet designed by Apple in California. So let's see what we have inside it. Here we have Airpods and how to use and set up them. You can say a small manual for it. Other than that, we have some other manuals as well. And you don't have any Apple stickers in it, unfortunately. So let me move out the Airpods along with their charging case. Here we have it, the small little case. So I'm going to show you it in a side, but let's see what else in the box. So here you have a little pull tab, and if I pull it, here you have your usual lightning cable and your USB cable in order to charge your Airpods, and other than that you have nothing in the box. So now coming back to the Airpods, so I'm just going to place my iPhone aside as well so that I can just simply connect them when I'm going to open the box, because it will try to find an iPhone nearby and I don't want anyone to connect. So yeah, so here I'm going to open the box, and here you can see the two Airpods, and on the iPhone as well you can see the Airpods pop up quite fast. So I'm going to press on connect, and now it's going to start connecting to the Airpods. Here you can see the battery that is present on the actual Airpods and the battery of the Airpods charger. You are going to press on done. So now they are connected to my iPhone and I don't have to worry about that. Simply I'm just going to open the case and I'm going to plug in into my ears and so on. So that's quite easy, plug and play. So before I show you the Airpods, on the bottom you have your USB, you have your lightning connector to charge your Airpods, the same connector that goes to your iPhone and all other Apple stuff. Anyways, let me just show you one of the Airpods. So here you can see, if the camera can focus it. So here you have your usual speaker, you got your mic, and here nothing fancy. If you want to enable Siri, I think you have to single press on it, or I think long press on it to enable Siri. Anyways, these are little Airpods from Apple. Their battery life is quite good according to reviews that I read on the internet, and their voice is also good. So yeah guys, this was just a quick unboxing of the Apple Airpods. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching and stay safe.